morning sunrise on the open sea. A golden light falling right on me. Warm breeze whisper through the palm trees. Slow motion light, yeah, this is free. Barefoot steps on the sandy road. Heart feels like drop the heavy load. Ocean singing with the steady tone. In this moment, I'm finally home. Palm trees swaying to the reggae sound. Easy rhythm make the world slow down. Every worry drifting far away. Salt in the air, we're feeling okay. Yeah, chill, chill under the sunset sky. Red and orange paint in the night. Wave by wave, let the feeling grow. Island time, take it slow. Cold drink melting in my hand, laughing loud with the beachside band. No deadline, no city noise, just simple days and easy joys. Scan guitar, keep it nice and clean. Bassline rolling smooth and deep. Heartbeat sinking with the tide. Feel the music moving inside. Yeah. When the daylight starts to fade, stars come out, no plans to make. Firelight dancing on smiling faces. Lost in time in these small places. Chill, chill under the moon so bright. Reggae playing through the night. Wave by wave, let your worries go. Saw wave life, nice and slow. Tomorrow comes, but not today. We let the sunshine lead the way. If the world feels heavy and cold, come back here. Let the good vibes hold. Ocean breeze and a reggae song remind my soul where I belong. Till the sunrise meets the sea, this beach life feeling lives in me. Sand still warm beneath my feet. Night air hums a steady beat. Echoes drifting from the shore. Reggae love forevermore. Stars align above the sea. Quiet talks in honesty. Every breath a calm release. Floating in this moment's peace. Chill, chill, let the silence play. Music lives in softer ways. Wave by wave, the night is kind. Leave the heavy world behind. When the dawn begins to shine. still warm beneath my feet. Night there hums a steady beat, echoes drifting from the shore. Reggae love forevermore. Stars align above the sea, quiet talks and honesty. Every breath a calm release, floating in this moment's peace. The silence play, music lives in softer ways. Wave by wave, the night is kind. Leave the heavy world behind. When the dawn begins to show, gentle light in amber glow, salt and sound of memory. This beat-side song stays with me. Calm, the sky so wide, time dissolves with every tide. All these moments softly blend, no clear start and no real end. Every song the ocean keeps in its rhythm while it sleeps. Even when the sound is gone, the feeling still goes on. Chill, chill, fade to calm like a healing island song. Wave by wave out of view, saw wave peace sees us through. When the silence fills the air, I know this calm is always there. From sunset glow to morning blue, this beat-side soul stays true. Stays calm, the sky so wide, time dissolves with every tide. All these moments softly blend, no clear start and no real end. Every song the ocean keeps in its rhythm while it sleeps. Even when the sound is gone, the feeling still goes on. Chill, chill, fade to calm like a healing island song. Wave by wave out of view, saw wave peace sees us through. When the silence fills the air, I know this calm is always there. From sunset glow to morning blue, this beat-side soul stays true. Night turns quiet deep within. Every Every sound becomes so clear, nothing left to chase or fear. Old guitar by the firelight, strings still humming through the night. One last chord, soft and low, let the feeling gently go. Chill, chill, breathe it in, let the calm sink on the skin. Wave by wave, slow and true, all its pieces passing through. When the silence takes the song, the vibe still carries on. Saw wave move, timeless view, this calm will always find you. Night turns quiet deep within. Every sound becomes so clear, nothing left to chase or fear. Old guitar by the firelight, strings still humming through the night. One last chord, soft and low, let the feeling gently go. Chill, chill, breathe it in, let the calm sink on the skin. Wave by wave, slow and true, all the pieces passing through. When the silence takes the song, the vibe still carries on. Saw we move, timeless view, this calm will always find you.
Just the sea and the sky as cool. Footstep trace on a fading light. Yesterday wash out by time. Every breath a sacred time. Truth is here and I've lost just fine. Trust the path, keep it real. So wave reggae beyond the shore. There's a peace we've been searching for, not in gold, not in fame, just a fire with no name. So wave reggae, light and slow, where the deeper feelings go. Rise the fear, rise the die. That's where love keep flowing out. So we're living. Midday sun, shimmering blue, ocean river, showing you Come after the tide, still water, open mind. Roots stay strong, hearts stay wide. We survive, we align. Morning come with a softer sound. Last night fire turned to ground. Ash and laughter in the sand. Memory drawn by a gentle hand. No regret for the words unsaid. Every path already led. We don't chase what run away. We let life come what may. If your spirit feel worn and thin, look within, not where you've been. Every storm that cross your way, leave a lesson, not a chain. Salt wave reggae, calm and slow. After high tide, peace will grow. Every fall teach how to stand. Every grain know where to land. Salt wave reggae, clear and true. Sky so wide, ocean blue. When the rush begin to fade, we remember what we made. Afternoon with a lazy glow. Time stretch out, begin to slow. Old friends smile, no need pretend. Silence talk more than sentence. Baseline walk like an old man wise. Seen many moons, many skies. He says, son, don't fight the sea. Flow with it and you'll be free. No crown heavier than pride. Lay it down, enjoy the ride. What is yours will always stay. What is not will drift away. Salt wave reggae, calm and slow. After high tide, peace will grow. Every fall teach how to stand. Every grain know where to land. Salt wave reggae, clear and true. Sky so wide, ocean blue. When the rush begin to fade, we remember what we made. Night rolling with silver light. Wave reflect the stars tonight. Every breath a sacred sign. This moment yours, this moment mine. If tomorrow bring unknown, we still stand on love alone. Roots below, wind above. That's the balance, that's the love. Salt wave reggae, steady ground. floor. Tell me things I knew before. That life don't bend to angry wheel. It bloom when we stay still. If the noise crowd your head, remember every word unsaid. Silence talk, rhythm guide. Truth live deep, not loud outside. Salt wave reggae, drift with me on a slow and steady sea. Easy motion, gentle ride, roots below and stars as guide. Salt wave reggae, soft but strong, carry peace where we belong. From the shore too far away, we don't force, we gently sway. Lantern glow on barefoot feet, warmth and cool beneath the beat. Stories float in smoky air, shared with love, no need compare. Drum go drop, one drop style, make the heavy heart feel light. Every scar, every line, fade away in island time. No throne built to last forever, only love keep us together. When the egos start to fade, true connection finally made. Salt wave reggae, drifts with no more chase. Everything in its place. Fire dying ember red. Soft thought inside my head. All the roads, all the days find their rest in ocean waves. What I lost, what I gained, turn to wisdom, not to pain. Every voice, every sound fade into this sacred ground. If tomorrow call my name, I will answer just the same. With an open heart and mind, leave no fear, leave no sign. Salt wave reggae, final time. Carry me to peace inside. Not an end, not goodbye. Just a change in lullaby. Salt wave reggae, calm and slow. Teach me all I need to know. When the music fade away, love remain here to stay. We'll keep time beyond the song. Right and wrong don't last too long. What is real outlive the noise. Gentle truth, simple choice. Let the silence have its say. Let the night become the day. In the stillness clear and deep, this is where the soul can sleep. Salt wave reggae, last refrain. Nothing lost, nothing vain. Every note return to see where it started, where it be. Salt wave reggae, end and start. Echo soft inside the heart. As the tide pull out of sight, peace remain. Good night. Wave fade out, breath slow down. No more need to hold the crown. Slow light, deep harmony. Salt wave reggae, eternity. Healing tide, rolling slow. Wash the heart, let the old go. Salt and wind, gentle sea, carry pain out quietly. Morning light touch every scar. Show we're whole just as we are. No need hide, no need pretend. Every break know how to mend. Footsteps soft on cooling sand. Past and future hold my hand. Every breath a second chance. Life invite me back to dance. If you chest feel tight with fear. Stay right here, stay right here. Healing don't need a rush or race. It arrives in its own pace. Salt wave reggae, healing tide. Let the sorrow drift aside. Every wound begin to close where the warm vibration flows. Salt wave reggae, calm and sure. Broken heart can find a cure. In the rhythm, soft and true, we remember who we knew. Afternoon with open sky, cloud-like thought go passing by. No more war inside the mind. Peace is simple, peace is kind. Baseline hum like mother's voice. Say rest now, you got a choice. Every beat say you're okay, even on your weakest day. No shame in the tears you cry. Salt belong to sea and I. Let them fall, let them be. That's the start of being free. Salt wave reggae, healing tide. Let the sorrow drift aside. Every wound begin to close where the warm vibration flows. Salt wave reggae, calm and sure. Broken heart can find a cure. In the rhythm, soft and true, we remember who we knew. Night bring calm, stars align. Every soul take its time. Nothing rush, nothing forced. Healing follow its own course. Put your hand upon your chest. Feel the drum, feel the rest. You survive, you still stand. Life still open, wide and grand. Salt wave reggae, gentle flame, call you softly by your name. Old pain fade, new hope rise. Clearer days before your eyes. Salt wave reggae, here we stay. One more step, one more day. As the tide return once more, we are healing to the core. Oh, oh, oh. Wave don't judge, wave don't lie. Come and go like tears that dry. Slow breath, deep harmony. Salt wave reggae, remedy. Hear the rhythm call from the sea. Through it all, every road that I roam, lead me back, lead me home. Morning light on weathered skin. Every place I've ever been, teach me more than words can say. All return in time's own way. Miles I walk, songs I sing, lost and found in everything. Every turn, every mile, point me back to simple smile. If the journey leave a scar, it remind you who you are. Not the mask, not the road, but the truth inside the soul. Salt wave reggae, home I find. In the rhythm, peace of mind. Not a place drawn on a map, but a calm I never lack. Salt wave reggae, steady beat. Carry tired, dusty feet. Wherever life decides
by, old and new in harmony. This is where I'm meant to be. Soul wave reggae, final tone. Not goodbye, just moving on. As the tide return once more, I am home forevermore. Wave don't end, it change its form. Home remain through calm and storm. Slow life, deep melody. Salt wave reggae, home in me. Home in me. New dawn rising, soft light on the sea. Another chance breathing, another soul set free. First light, paint the sky in gold. Night, release the stories it hold. Every ending bow today. Darkness gently fades away. Barefoot, stand where water meet. Cold wave, kiss my tired feet. Every breath feel clean and new. Morning, say, I got you. If you stumble in the dark, trust the coming of the spark. Even shadows need the sun to remind us we're not done. Salt wave reggae, new dawn rise. Hope reflected in our eyes. Yesterday don't own today. We choose love along the way. Salt wave reggae, strong and kind. Heal the past, free the mind. With a rhythm clear and true, we begin again with you. Coffee, steaming early air. Quiet laugh without a care. No big plan, no heavy name. Just the joy of staying sane. Baseline warm like morning prayer. Drum keep time slow and fair. Every beat a gentle sign. Life's still good, life's still mine. No road straight, no promise sealed. Every wound already healed. In the act of moving on, strength is found, not borrowed, grown. Salt wave reggae, new dawn rise. Hope reflected in our eyes. Yesterday don't own today. We choose love along the way. Salt wave reggae, strong and kind. Heal the past, free the mind. With a rhythm clear and true, we begin again with you. Yeah. When the clouds return again and the heart remember pain, look ahead, not back in fear. Morning always waiting here. Let the light touch what was sore. Open every inner door. Nothing lost, nothing late. You arrive right on your date. Salt wave reggae, rising sun. Show us we are not yet done. Old roots deep, new leaves show. In the place we let love grow. Salt
From the heart to the ocean call, slow road, open view, horizon wide, sky so blue. Morning drum from a distant shore, echo stories we heard before. Simple truth in a steady beat, life feel right when the rhythm meet. Coffee steam in the early air, no heavy load, no cross to bear. Sun climbs slow, no need race, time got space, we got grace. If your mind starts spinning fast, remember breath, remember past. Every step don't need to shine, just keep walking, you'll be fine. Salt wave reggae, one drop flow, teach the fast, heart move slow. Steady drum and bass so deep, promises the soul can keep. Salt wave reggae, open sea, wide horizon set us free. From the now to what will be, we move gentle, we move free. Midday shade under almond tree, old man hum a melody. He says, son, the beat don't lie, it hold the truth if you comply. Guitars can cut clean and light, like sunlight through the night. Every note know where it lands, just like footprints in the sand. No short road to lasting peace, let the inner war decrease. What you give return to you, in the way the tide always do. Salt wave reggae, one drop flow, teach the fast, heart move slow. Steady drum and bass so deep, promises the soul can keep. Salt wave reggae, open sea, wide horizon set us free. From the now to what will be, we move gentle, we move free. When the clouds begin to crowd and the world gets sharp and loud, drop the weight you cannot hold, trust the rhythm, brave and bold. Night will pass, dawn will rise, truth revealed in patient eyes. Keep your roots where you stand, reach your dreams with open hands. Salt wave reggae, ancient beat, modern feet on dusty street. One love echo far and wide, carry hope on every tide. Salt wave reggae, here we go, slow but strong, steady flow. As the horizon touch the sea, we become who we're meant to be. Wave mark time, soft and sure, nothing forced, nothing pure, just the now, wild and free. Salt wave reggae, one drop harmony. Oh, wow, little more, oh yeah. Slow fire burn inside, quiet strength, steady guide. No big sound, no disguise, truth awake behind the eyes. simple meal shared with grace. Time slowed down in a humble place. Old song hum in minor key, carry weight of memory. If the world feel hard and cold, remember warmth don't come from gold. Every soul got inner flame, burn it slow, not for the name. Salt wave reggae, slow fire burn. Every loss a lesson learned. Not too fast, not too strong, just enough to carry on. Salt wave reggae, deep and kind, heal the cracks inside the mind. When the night feel long and thin, we find light from within. Afternoon cloud drift by, like old thoughts learning how to fly. No regret for the road behind, every turn help redefine. Baseline walk with patient feet, drum and heart begin to meet. Every beat say you belong, even when you felt so wrong. No shame in falling down, rising slow still make you sound. What you feel is not a crime, healing moving island time. Salt wave reggae, slow fire burn. Every loss a lesson learned. Not too fast, not too strong, just enough to carry on. Salt wave reggae, deep and kind, heal the cracks inside the mind. When the night feel long and thin, we find light. Let the rain come if it must, wash the fear, restore the trust. Every tear got salt and truth, just like waves in endless youth. Hold your breath, feel the ground, you are safe in this sound. Nothing broke that can't be mended, nothing lost that can't be ended. Salt wave reggae, in a flame, burn steady, stay the same. Old roots deep, new leaf rise, clearer heart, calmer eyes. Salt wave reggae, hand to heart, every ending start is start. As the tide return again, we remain, we remain. We remain, oh, oh yeah. Wave move on, fire stay, guide the night, greet the day. Slow and steady, wild and free. Salt wave reggae, energy. Oh, energy. Slow it down now, feel the tide. Salt in the air, peace in my mind. Under the sun, under the sky, we let the rhythm guide our life. Morning light on the open shore, footprints fade where the waves restore. Simple days, no rush, no race, just heartbeat, drum and a smiling face. Guitar skanking a lazy sway, bassline talk what words can't say. Every note like a prayer in time, living free in a slow sunshine. No gold chains, no heavy crown, just roots deep in the sand we found. heart so free, roots by the ocean, that's where we be. Salt wave reggae, coming true. Every tide sing a song for you. Under sunset sky so wide, we ride the wave, no need to hide. Midday heat, shadow of the palm, old vinyl spinning keeps me calm. Stories told with a smiling laugh, life feel all in a simple path. Drum go drop, one loving sound, unity rise when the beat come round. No division, no angry cry, just open hands and open sky. From the hill to the ocean floor, same old truth we've been knowing for. Love is light, heavy is fear. Slow your step, the way is clear. Salt wave reggae, carry me home. On the rhythm of the sea we roam. Easy living, heart so free, roots by the ocean, that's where we be. Salt wave reggae, calm and true. Every tide sing a song for you. Under sunset sky so wide, we ride the wave, no need to hide. When the night falls soft and slow, moonlight dance on the water glow. We don't need much, just fire and tune, a steady bass and a rising moon. Let the worries wash away like broken shells from yesterday. In this moment we remain, no rush, no stress, no change. Salt wave reggae, hold me tight through the dark and into light. Island heartbeat, pure and deep, promises the soul can keep. Salt wave reggae, old and new, ancient roots in ocean blue. As the tide come and subside, we live the truth, we feel alive. Wave rolling, wave roll out, that's what life is all about. Slow your mind, feel the sea. Salt wave reggae, let it be. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Hear the ocean speak, slow down now, take it easy. From the roots to the reef, we stay calm, we stay free. Soft wind whisper through the palm. Another day, move cool and calm. No big dream, no heavy plan, just living like a simple man. Coffee warm, morning light, seabird dance in silent flight. Every breath feel clean and true. Island life, renew the soul. If the road feel long and rough, remember slow is fast enough. No need proof, no need show. Let the river teach you flow. Salt wave reggae, still and deep. Ocean promise that we keep. Easy heart and steady soul. Let the rhythm take control. Salt wave reggae, pure and clear. Wash away the doubt and fear. From the sand to open sea, this is how we're meant to be. Ooh.
Children laugh, elders smile. Time moves soft just for a while. Old drum beat like ancient call. Unity rise, division fall. Every story, every phase, find a home in this space. No race won by moving fast. Peace is found when ego pass. What we give is what we earn. Simple truth we always learn. Salt, wave, reggae, still and deep. Ocean promise that we keep. Easy art and steady soul. Let the rhythm take control. Salt, wave, reggae, pure and clear. Wash away the doubt and fear. From the sand to open sea, this is how we're meant to be. When the night wraps round the shore, stars remind us there is more. Not in things we try to own, but the love we freely show. Let the fire burn real slow. Let the sweet bass line flow. In this moment, here and now, life makes sense, we don't ask how. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh. Salt, wave, reggae, ancient tone. Modern art, but roots well grown. One drop beat, timeless sound. Lift the lost and calm the wound. Salt, wave, reggae, side by side.